Hello guys, this is How2Socials and today I'm going to show you how you can make stickers on WhatsApp. Now this is really simple, so let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So as you all know, stickers can be really fun on WhatsApp, just messing around with them. And in order to make your own stickers, what you need to do is just search for a sticker maker app on your Play Store. And there's just a bunch of apps. You can choose with whatever app you like. For example, this is the first one, Sticker Maker, which I like, so I'm going to download it and just resume the video after I get it on my phone. As you can see, I got it downloaded and now I'm going to just open it, and here you can create a new sticker pack. Now we are going to enter a pack for our name, just dot for this purpose, dot for this video, dot for the author. Oh, it's a minimum 5 characters apparently. I'm just going to spam a few words in order to create it. Now you are going to create your stickers. Here you are going to pick an image from gallery, from file, or just whatever source that you get. So I'm going to pick an image from my gallery and be right back. So I picked a blank image just so I can show you how you do it. Now you can rotate it as much as you like it, select all, and now the sticker will be the whole image. Smart select, and you can just crop out how much you want from the certain picture. You can freehand, which is this one, basically cutting it. Cut square, you can basically select a square, and cut a circle. Again, you can play around with it and cut as much as you want. For example, I'm going to go freehand and I'm going to select this random shape. You can add some text to it. You can also outline it with a certain color, and after you've selected all of this, you can just hit save sticker. Now after you've done all of this, you can just add to WhatsApp, and after you've done that, now the sticker should appear in your WhatsApp gallery. That's pretty much all there is to it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one.